Hello and welcome to lesson 23 for beginners. Let's learn 50 words and phrases now. Research. I need to do some research for my project. Force. They forced him to leave. Education, educational. Education is important for everyone. Remember. Remember to buy some milk. I don't remember my friend's birthday. Appear, disappear. The sun will appear in the morning and disappear at night. Appearance or look. His appearance is always perfect. College, university. I'm going to college next year. Interest, to be interested in. I'm interested in learning new languages. Remain. The cake will remain fresh in the fridge. Military, the military. He joined the military after finishing school. Explanation. Can you give me an explanation of this math problem? Relation, relationship. I have a good relationship with my sister. Friendship. Friendship is valuable to me. Arm. He injured his arm playing football. Army. Join the army. He decided to join the army after school. Join a company. To be hired. She was hired by a big company. Value. Valuable. It is of great value to me. VAT. Value added tax. Tax. VAT is a type of tax. International. They have an international business. Model. She's a fashion model. Math or maths. I never liked math at school. Ground. The ball fell to the ground. Official. He's an official representative of the company. Site. Website. I found the information on the website. Produce, product, production. They produce high quality products. Street, route or route, avenue. I live on Maple Street. Quite or pretty. She's quite tall for her age. She's pretty tall for her age. Describe, description. Can you describe your house to me? Wall. There is a picture on the wall. Movie. Film. movies or movie theater or cinema. Let's go to the movies tonight. Personal. My personal opinion is that it's a good idea. Tree. The tree provides shade in the summer. Plant. To plant. We will plant flowers in the garden. Similar. These two cars look similar. Hot. It's too hot outside today. Message. I got a message from my friend. To text someone. Can I text you later? Sex. Male or female? There are two sexes, male and female. Pet. Pet peeve. My dog is my favorite pet. What are your pet peeves? Cell phone. Mobile phone. Or in England, in Great Britain, they say mobile phone. I use my cell phone every day. Apply. Application. She sent her job application yesterday. Memory. I have a good memory for names. Chance. Don't miss the chance to see the show. Lie. Liar. It's not nice to tell a lie. Pretty woman. Handsome man. She's a pretty woman. Interview. Job interview. He has a job interview tomorrow. Note. To take notes. I don't like to take notes. Animal. We have many animals at home. Stuff. There's a lot of stuff in my room. Accept. Deny. Refuse. Reject. Turn down. They accepted his ideas, but denied mine. And a few phrases. No chance. It's a hot issue. Easy come, easy go. On what grounds? As far as I remember, I don't know. Never mind. I feel under the weather. What was the weather like? How was the weather? That's all for today. Thanks. Bye-bye.